Okay, here's a short little video with some problems that I like. The book does some problems kind of like this. And, well, you'll know why I like them by the time I'm done. So we're talking about rational numbers and fractions, so still kind of in section 6.1. I'm going to give you three objects. And suppose I say that these three squares represent three-fourths. Well, draw the whole. What would the whole look like if those three things represent three-quarters of it? Well, you go, let's see, I got 1, 2, 3 equally sized pieces. That's my numerator. So I just need one more to have the denominator. So I add one more, and there's the whole. And I'm wagering you did a lot of problems like this growing up. But now I'm going to change it just a bit. Same three objects. And now I'm going to say, what if these represent 2/3? What will the whole look like now? So we want to draw the whole now. Well, the problem is, these are the parts of something that we have. So these all represent parts. In the previous problem, we had 3 in our numerator and we had 3 parts and it was easy. Now I've got 3 squares, but my numerator says I need 2 equal pieces. So this is a different way of thinking. It's not so much a denominator problem now as a numerator problem. So I have to split these into 2 equal sized pieces, and that's not too bad because I just cut them in half. Now, what does the whole look like? Remember, this represents 2/3. So I have 2 equal pieces. So 1.5 of these squares, that's 1/3. Here's 2/3. So there's my 2. And I need one more third. I need one more half of a square and a full square. So this represents the third. So again, I had 3 objects that had to represent 2 equal pieces. So these are numerator problems now. Okay, I'm going to do one more of these. Maybe in a couple ways. I see a group project in these kind of problems. I got 3 squares again, and I'm going to say they represent 4/5. So I only have 3 things, but I got to get 4 equal pieces. Well, I learned this from students doing it. They cut that in half, cut this in half, and now they've got 4 equal pieces. It's like half a square and a quarter of another one. So then here's 1/5. There's 2. And 3. And there's 4/5. I don't know why I have 2/3 there. So I need one more fifth. So I need one more of these, like the halves and the little corner, the quarter. So there's now 5/5, or the whole. Okay, I'm going to do this one. Well, yeah, I'm going to do it a different way. Actually, I shouldn't be showing you all these different ways because you could be finding them out yourselves doing a group project. But you know I can make them more complex. Okay, 4/5 again. Another way to attack these is, I got to break these into 4 equal pieces. What if I took each one, broke them into 4s? Now I have 12 pieces, or 12 little, I don't know, 12 corners, something. I want 4 equal ones, so 12 divided by 4 is 3. That means if I circle 3 of these, look at that. There's 1, 2, 3. There's my 4 equal pieces. Each one of these is a 1/5. So I would need one more of these little Tetris pieces to be the 5th 5th. Anyway, nice little problems. I'm sure you'll see them again.